everybody, it's Phil. Welcome to my crib. Does anyone talk like that anymore? Anyway, you can't come inside and there's a good reason for that. I want to show you my Ring doorbell. So if you've seen me anywhere, anytime lately, I've been singing this thing's praises forever. This is the Ring Pro. This is the higher end of the two. It's the one we're gonna take a look at. And it's really easy to install. It's really easy to use. It's not that expensive. All right, for a doorbell, it's expensive. But God, I use it all the time. It's so great. So let's go take a look at it. The Ring Pro doorbell. Now, a couple other things you need to know. One, the camera on the Ring Pro shoots at 1080p, if that's important to you. It does struggle a little bit with backlighting though, as a lot of cameras like that do, so not surprising. Two, I had to change out the transformer, the thing that takes the higher voltage home electricity and steps it down into the low voltage wiring that doorbells use. And three, I've got a hallway ring chime that will go off whenever there's motion or somebody hits the bell as well. And you can stick that anywhere you have a power outlet. So setting up outside is pretty much as easy as setting up inside. You just screw a couple wires in, screw the whole thing into the wall. Tell you what, go to Ring's website, watch some of the videos there. They help me out a lot. It's really easy to follow, and they'll also walk you through setup on your phone. So you actually have your choice of faceplates that you can use with the Ring Pro. White is sort of not quite black, silver, but I'm just gonna use the normal black here. So the Ring app is really simple and really well done. It shows anything from Ring I have connected, doorbell, camera, or hallway chime. There's not a whole lot to show you, it just works, right? But I do want to point out the alerts. It has a dedicated Ring alert, so whenever somebody actually pushes the button and hits the bell. You also have motion alerts. Now, these can get pretty noisy. If I'm out front doing something, or my kids are out playing, or we're hanging out on the porch, it will start notifying you over and over and over again. You can also control the motion settings and the sensitivity. You can set it to people only or all activity, so it will be more sensitive. You can change the motion zones. You can tell it, hey, bother me if there's somebody in this part of the yard, or don't bother me if there's somebody over here. Hello?
Papa John?
Nope.
No?
No, we didn't order. What address you got? Yep, okay. All right, so at the end of the day, the Ring Pro, it's one hell of a product. I like it a lot. I like the company a lot. The little bit I've had to deal with their customer service, awesome, really, really good. It's relatively simple to put in. If you can twist a couple wires, if you've done anything basic like that, you're gonna be just fine. The things I don't like, look, the backlighting is a thing, right? And that's really gonna depend on where you put your doorbell. Mine is under the covered porch. All in all though, it's been a really good buy for me and my family. If none of us is home and a package shows up, we can tell the guy to leave it if we need to. And especially around the holidays, that's a big deal. It's not inexpensive, but you have the increased safety factor in security. That's a really big deal. Really, really just well done product. So, Modern Dad seal of approval. I'm digging it. I'm gonna highly recommend this thing for as long as I can. That's it. See you later.